In this video, I want to show you a delightful feature that I just discovered in Nozbe. Nozbe is the app that my team uses for our weekly staff meetings, and I think a couple of us use it also for personal task management. Now you might be thinking, gee, it's just one little feature within an app. What's the big deal? Well, I actually think it's pretty important when you find a feature within a tool that you use that's kind of delightful. Maybe there's a little bit of whimsy or there's just something about it that puts a smile on your face. And this is one of those for me. So let me tell you what I mean. This particular project is called Weekly Team Meeting, and this is a real project that we use. So for example, at the beginning of this meeting, we'll go around the table and we'll just say, okay, who's got something that we need to talk about this week? Okay, so somebody said, well, school needs, and then we talk through some of those things. Somebody said, well, I want to talk about summer professional development, make sure we're all on the same page in terms of some of these upcoming meetings. Somebody said, oh, we've got a new member to the team. Do we have everything that she needs? Is her office all set up? Do we know what that first week looks like for her? Somebody says, oh, fall 25 conference. And then we say, well, let's come back to that because that's probably kind of a big topic. And then vacations. We want to make sure that everybody knows who's away, and we might even celebrate where they're going and add a little bit of commentary on that, just to make sure our workplace is human, to make sure that we're supporting one another, to make sure that we're bringing our faith into our work. Okay, let's go back to this Fall 25 conference. So the conversation is kind of rocking and rolling, and somebody says, well, I want to make sure we have what we need about this July walkthrough. And then somebody says, well, I want to talk about our sponsors and make sure everybody's up to date there. Somebody else says, well, what about our vendors? We need to make sure we have all of that information. Somebody says, well, how about the theme? Have we really flushed that out completely? Do we really have a sense of the branding, the messaging? Somebody says, well, I think we should talk about the website. I mean, do we need a whole separate website, or can we use just the website we have, maybe just a page or two within it? So after about 10 or 15 minutes, we realized, gosh, there's a lot here. I mean, this is a big conference for almost 1,000 people. We want to make sure we're doing this justice. So we realized a couple of things. Number one, this needs its own project within Nozbe. It needs its own. Second, it's going to need its own cadence of meetings. And so one thing I discovered within Nozbe, which is really a fantastic feature, I'm not aware of any other app that uses this, is right here, these three little dots right next to this section, and that's what this is within Nozbe, Fall 25 Conference. You can simply use this feature, convert into a project. Little pop-up window says, hey, are you sure you want to do this? Because you're going to make a new project and you're going to take all those tasks within it with you. Absolutely, convert into a project. And not only did it take those tasks, but it's already brought me into this new project. I think this is just fantastic. I actually sent a message to the CEO of the company and I just said, thank you so much. What a wonderful little delightful feature within this app. I wish every app did this. Very clever. It's going to make a real difference for our team. I hope you found this helpful. It's just a little tip and trick. If you'd like more productivity advice for people of faith, head on over to michaelstpierre.org.